Today I got a major upgrade for this M18 inflator. Yes, this is the brand new inflator that was for the holiday season. So if you got one of these, we got a major upgrade for you guys. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs this platform, by subscribes and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Excuse the noise, there's a machine working on the outside. This is an excellent inflator. This is not the review for the inflator. We already checked. If you guys want to check the review for that, I have a separate video for that. You guys do know this is a screw-on. There's nothing wrong with this. The only thing wrong with this is that when you have to do 4 tires on this, it gets kind of tiring. You know, trying to do this in every tire, screw it in. So what I do have for this is this. I'll link it down below in the description section of this video, but it is called Auto 2 Pieces Air in Tire Valve Fine Thread. That's how it says. It's just an adapter. You can search it as an adapter and it should just pop up as an adapter. Alright, so we're just going to do a quick unpackaging here. And it does come with 2. I'm going to go ahead and give one of these to my brother. Alright, so this is what it is. This one's kind of heavy duty actually. It looks pretty. It is a rubber hose, and it does have the thread there on that side, and it does have the quick connect. This is all metal. It looks like there's some that come in plastic. I really don't like plastic, but yeah, these are all metal. So this is just the quick connect valve thing. What you do is just screw it on here, nice and tight. Not, well, obviously hand tight, not too tight. And then you're gonna have this. Now you're gonna have I know it's gonna look it's not gonna look perfect, but yeah, it does work. See, it's gonna sit like that. It's not too bad. I mean, it's gonna stick out a little bit, but you know, it's fairly decent. Still gonna hold its side. It's not sticking all the way to the outside. They do make some smaller ones, by the way. I think I don't have any experience with those. I've used something like this. Let's take it outside, show you guys how this works. Just grab it like that. That's it. Turn this on. £31. Put it up to 33. Should be all good. Perfect. Next tire. Take this off. Alright, it is done. Simple as that. Let us know what you think down on the comment section of this video, or if you got any other better valves out there that we could buy and test for you guys with this inflator. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.